I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make forms with HTML and CSS. We'll start by understanding the fundamental structure of an HTML form. The form tag is your starting point, acting as a container for all your input elements. It's crucial for gathering user information, whether for logins, surveys, or contact pages. We'll cover its essential attributes like action and method, which dictate how your data is processed. Next, let's dive into the core elements that populate your forms. The input tag is incredibly versatile, allowing you to create everything from text fields to checkboxes. We'll explore common types like text for basic input and submit for sending data. Remember the label tag. It's vital for accessibility, linking descriptive text directly to your form controls, making your forms user-friendly for everyone. Now, let's bring your forms to life with CSS. Styling is key to a great user experience, making your forms intuitive and visually appealing. You can target elements by their tag, class, or ID to apply styles. We'll look at properties like width, padding, and margin to control spacing and size. Adding a border radius of, say, 5 pixels can soften the look of input fields, giving them a modern feel. Finally, let's explore some advanced CSS techniques to elevate your forms. Adding a subtle box shadow can give elements a three-dimensional appearance. Pseudo-classes like focus allow you to provide visual feedback when a user interacts with an input. For complex layouts, CSS Flexbox or Grid offers powerful alignment options. Always ensure your forms are responsive, adapting gracefully to screens of all sizes, from mobile phones to large desktops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.